In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Shopify theme. This step-by-step guide is designed to ensure you can seamlessly enhance your online store's aesthetic appeal and showcase important content more engagingly. Video content is a powerful tool that can captivate your audience and provide them with a richer understanding of your products or brand. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center, where all the magic begins. Once you're there, it's time to focus on the Online Store option, which you can find on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Online Store and then select Themes. This is where all of your active and available themes are displayed. Now, locate the current theme you are using. You'll notice a button labeled Customize next to it. Go ahead and click on that. Customizing your theme is a crucial step because it allows you to tailor your website's design and functionalities to better suit your brand's needs and style. Upon entering the customization page, direct your attention to the left-hand menu under Templates. Here, you'll find an option labeled Add Section. Click on this to open up a submenu that lists a variety of features you can incorporate into your theme. From this submenu, select Video. This feature enables you to add a video to your page, creating a more dynamic and visually appealing experience for your visitors. It's a great way to highlight product features, share customer testimonials, or even present your brand story. After selecting Video, you'll notice options appear on the right side of your screen. This is your opportunity to choose how you'd like to add your video. You can either upload a video file directly from your computer or embed one using a URL. If you are embedding, make sure the video is hosted on a reliable platform such as YouTube or Vimeo for optimal performance and compatibility. Once you've got your video set up exactly how you want it, don't forget to save your work. Locate the Save button at the top right corner of the screen and click it. This crucial step ensures your video is not only properly integrated into your theme, but also live and viewable to your website visitors. And there you have it. Your Shopify site now boasts the engaging power of video. If you need to make any changes, you can revisit the Customize section and tweak as needed. Remember to always preview your site after making changes to see how everything looks from a customer's perspective. Incorporating videos can significantly enhance the user experience, so I encourage you to experiment and find what works best for your brand. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!